7 type of stock Warren Buffett loves. Those create real wealth and still work today. Think big companies cannot give big returns. Big companies don't grow fast. It's biggest misunderstanding in investing. Remember, Warren Buffett made billions from one stock called Apple. Yes, Apple remained Berkshire Hathaway's largest equity holding as of early 2026. Buffett invested Apple even in large company. 2016 to 2018, Buffett aggressively increased his position over the next 2 years, investing a total of about $35 billion, while the market cap ranged between $476 billion and $1 trillion. Because of strong brand, loyal customers, pricing power, ecosystem lock-in, Apple moat. Lesson: big, not slow. Size does not matter. Quality plus growth does. So don't ignore large caps. Buy when they still have future growth plus strong brand with discount. So next time you see a big company, ask, can it still grow in future? If yes, can be, it's a good opportunity. Want money even when you sleep? Then buy 2-3 high quality dividend businesses that generate consistent free cash flow. Real example: Buffett invested in Coca-Cola 1988, still earning massive dividend every year. Buffett invested $1.3 billion in Coca-Cola in 1988, and now its value over $25 billion. And also Buffett getting annual dividend from Coca-Cola more than $800 million. Lesson: find simple businesses, simple product, global brand, daily consumption product, and company with predictable cash flow. You don't need 40-50 stocks making huge wealth. You need 2-3 quality dividend stocks can create lifetime income, generate passive income and free cash flow. How to apply? In real life, find companies with simple product, strong brand, with market leaders, and daily consumption product with good dividend history. Before investing any dividend stock, think, will people still use this product or service after 10 years? For example, Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, P&G, like this, and reinvest these all dividends for making wealth more faster. That's how Buffett made $1 billion. Warren Buffett made billions from companies that are almost impossible to replace. Buffett loved businesses with strong competitive advantage. It's called moat, means the businesses has huge advantage competitors struggle to destroy. That advantage protect profit for 10, 20, even 50 years. Real example: Visa global network moat. Visa process trillion of dollars worldwide. The more people use Visa cards, the stronger the network becomes. That's called a network effect moat. Even the world's largest banks heavily depend on Visa's payment system. Warren Buffett invested $431 million into Visa. That's value later about $2.7 billion. Lesson: moat protect profit for decades. So don't just buy stocks, buy businesses competitors cannot easily destroy. How to apply as a retail investor? Invest in companies with strong moat like brand, network or switching cost advantage. Buffett love everyday need businesses because people stop buying luxury during hard times like recession or financial crisis, but they still buy toothpaste, soap, food, electricity. That's why Buffett love essential businesses. like Gillette, P&G, Coca-Cola, Apple. Even during recession, people continue buying this type of everyday necessities. Buffett made $5 billion in profit from his investment in Gillette. He turning $6 million into $5 billion through this investment. That means 8x within a 16 years. Lesson: the best businesses are often boring but incredibly profitable over decades. How to apply this as a retail investor? Look for FMGC, food, utility, and essential product and services companies with strong brand and consistent demand. Why Warren Buffett buy banks during market crash? Watch this full video on my channel.